Hey there, Chris Woods from the STEM Everyday Podcast. The other day I was walking in the hallway and I saw a big box full of all these cardboard boxes, and I was like, wow, I can use those for sure at some point in my classroom. So I dragged them down to my classroom, left them in the room, and then some kids were asking me, what are we going to use all those boxes for, Mr. Woods? And I was like, well, maybe we should make a Christmas tree out of them. So we started folding all the boxes up, and the kids helped me, and we stacked them all up. So what do you know? These boxes that had just held fundraiser candy are now this beautiful cardboard Christmas tree in our classroom. Now, it didn't start out decorated. I just kind of left it and said, well, I'm going to plug some lights in. And then the kids were like, can we decorate it? Can we put ornaments on it? So I said, you can make ornaments for it, but they have to be math related because, I'm a math teacher, math classroom. Let's make mathy ornaments. And they were pretty creative. They came up with some pretty good ones. But make it whatever you want in your classroom and give the kids that little bit of extra opportunity to do something creative, have a little fun, especially when they finish their work and they got nothing to do. This is a perfect thing that they can do. I just leave out the construction paper, especially construction paper that used to be bulletin boards in previous months of the year. It's a great way to just reuse it and have a little fun. So always great ideas. Check out more great ideas on Twitter @DailySTEM and my website dailystem.com.